Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add a book to your Amazon seller that you want to sell on Amazon. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. First things first guys, we are going to go and be opening up the official Amazon seller URL right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up, and once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started. In the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. So if you do not already have an Amazon seller account, what you want to do is sign up for one. You can go and get started with exploring your plans, whichever you prefer, and get started creating your account. So once you have gotten your account, you can log in normally. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your Amazon seller dashboard that looks something like this, from where we can get started browsing our catalog, our inventory, orders, and so on, everything that we need regarding our store, so we can get started setting up our products. And basically guys, now that we want to sell a book on Amazon seller, it's very easy, and what we can do is just follow the steps right here, how to create an Amazon product listing. We are going to list our book just like any other Amazon product that we are going to go and be able to sell. So basically what we're going to do is go into the catalog option of the main menu of Seller Central and find the add products option. So in this menu, you're going to click catalog. Catalog is going to be your first option, and once you click on catalog guys, it's going to give you this new drop down menu with multiple options, and what you want to do is click add products. So by clicking add products, this is now going to enable us to fill out the product information such as our book name, pictures of the book, information, shipping prices, and so on, everything you need regarding your product. Once you have done so, you can add your book normally to your Amazon seller page. After that, people will be able to find it in your store and you can get started with selling your book on Amazon seller, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.